road from the city to Ephesus harbour. The harbour is now nearly 3 kilometers inland due to silting. The Roman theatre seats up to 25,000, making it one of the largest. It is used today for drama and concerts.
The only chorus is enough for them because they came here with the chorus and
the Arch of the Odeon, built from white marble. Part of the Sextilis Polio Aqueduct, which was 3.5 kilometers long. 1st century Memmius monument. The statues are of his father and grandfather, dictators of Ephesus. The 2nd century Fountain of Trajan. The statue of the emperor stood on the marble block. Mosaics from the Roman period, outside small shops. They have various geometric patterns. These terracotta pipes were used for providing running water to buildings. The pipes were fired in these kilns, using wood for fuel. Archway into the Temple of Hadrian, about 130 AD. The friezes show the history of Ephesus. The facade of the Library of Celsus, about 115 AD, reconstructed in the 1970s. The Gate of the Slaves, Mazius and Mithridates, dated to 40 AD. This is said to be the house where Mary, the mother of Jesus, lived after the Crucifixion. Parts date from the 1st century. Izmir started as a Neolithic site with over 8,000 years of history, becoming urbanized about 3,000 years ago. Its modern history is checkered by Greek control after the First World War, with the Turkish army regaining it in 1922 and the Greeks being forced to leave. A major fire killed many Greeks and Armenians. Today, it is a modern city with a population of over 4 million and is an important port for Turkey. The 25-meter-high clock tower was built in 1901. There are 4 fountains round the base. Although it was an important Roman city, the ancient sites are poorly excavated. The Forum boasts these columns. Since excavated, the curved roof of the agora covered a series of stalls with a running water channel. This mysterious stone bears the Roman name of Mark Antony in Greek, followed by Eros, or love. The ground was littered by fragments of stone carvings, badly in need of restoration. Although it may look like a sarcophagus, it seems more likely to have been a lintel. Many of the fragments of stone, probably dating from the 2nd to 4th centuries, bear a Christian cross. This water source has been used since pre-Roman times. Dyeing the wool for the Turkish carpet weaving that must be seen in any visit to the country.